How to remove limit on Instagram. The first thing you have to do is open up your Instagram, and you might be getting the error where it says will limit how often you do certain things on Instagram. To fix that, you first have to head over to your profile icon at the bottom right. Then simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then just scroll down until you find something called limit. So tap on limit interactions. And you have to make sure that this is turned off. So if it shows you turned on, then that means you have this turned off. The next thing you need to do is scroll down until you find help section, and then tap on help. Now report a problem, then continue without shaking, include your diagnostics, and briefly explain that you're having this error and you've done nothing wrong. Instagram's help and support team will get back to you within a few days and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.